Hello from Slovenia again. Today I have hair dryer out and some black paint, pearl white, iridescent precious gold and magenta. And I'm going to do just, I don't know, kind of, go like that. I don't know, with the hair dryer just in a stripes. This is just my plan. And I will pour some pearl white here, because I want to have some lacing too, and some goals. It will be, if you watch Rinske probably call this Chaos Dutch Pour, I think, and some magenta. Hope that there is not too much white. And I will pour some black here, just a little bit, and then I will just pour black here. And I will just spread this a little bit. This black. Just to kind of have this covered. Okay, maybe I will pour black here too. I really love this. I think that this will be okay. I will just have to mix a little more black, because my paints weren't thin like for the Dutch pour, and they didn't flow so far, or how can I say, but I love it. I really do. Okay, I will just want to blow a little bit there. Then I will mix some more black and do the sides, but just to see if I like that. Here. So here is a close-up of the wet results, and I love it. I can't wait to see this dry. I have to torch it once more. But I love it. So here is the dry result of my Chaos Dutch Pour, and I'm so happy. I love those details so much. I love the composition, and I love that I managed to keep some negative space. So many gorgeous things in there, some lacing, some pearls. I love it. Wow, I'm so happy that I finally managed to do a Dutch pour that I really like. And I feel a little, I don't know, I will definitely play with this some more. Maybe it is different because, you know, it's not a classic Dutch pour because of my pearl white, but I kind of like this look for the Chaos pour. So have a nice weekend and see you on the next one. Bye.